Are you in the mood to eat a family-sized meal in one sitting? Do you also want to buy a golden cat online for absolutely no reason? Well, of course you do. It's Saturday. Christmas. Yeah, it's Christmas. The sales have fully kicked in, and now may be the best time to get some last-minute shopping done. With that in mind, I've got 3 ridiculously cool gadgets that won't break the bank. Let's get to it. First off, we've got some NFC tags. These are small chips that can transfer information to your phone in a single tap. It's the same technology that's used in contactless payments, but there's a lot more you could use them for. For example, you can keep one in your car and open up maps right away. You can send someone directly to your online profile. Or my personal favorite, instead of trying to enter a ridiculous password, you can connect to your Wi-Fi in a simple tap. All of this can be set up in less than a minute through the dedicated app. The download link is in the description below. Next up, we've got a portable ring light. It clamps onto phones, laptops, and anything else with a flat edge thanks to its spring mechanism. For its size, it's one of the most powerful lights I've ever used. On top of that, it's got 3 different color temperatures and 3 different brightness levels to choose from. Normally, if you want to get a portrait in low light, your options would either be to pray that there's enough light to get some detail, or use flash, which ends up being way too harsh. With this light, you can adjust the settings to get a sharp portrait with all the pretty colors and none of the extra glare. It's also a perfect present for content creators and working professionals. Webcams are notorious for not providing much detail to begin with, so a little light goes a long way. And finally, the gooseneck phone clamp. A simple yet effective contraption. Clamp one end to the edge of a surface, adjust the neck to the position you need, and then clamp your phone at the top. This makes your life so much easier in so many ways. When you're on a video call, got your hands busy trying something new, reading your emails at work, and best of all, watching a movie in bed. That's all we've got for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe to stay tuned for more. Have a very Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next time.